In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preload pages for faster browsing and searching in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple setting that can help pages open a little quicker and make your browsing feel smoother overall. If you like quick browser tips like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where all of the browser settings are located. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, you'll see different categories that let you control privacy, appearance, downloads, and performance options. Now, click on System and Performance and then go to Performance. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear as System and Performance first, with Performance inside that section. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps the options that help the browser run faster and use resources more efficiently. Once you're in the Performance area, scroll until you find the option called Preload Pages for faster browsing and searching. This feature helps Edge predict pages you may visit and load certain content in advance, which can reduce waiting time when you click links or search the web. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to the Enable position. Once it's turned on, Edge will start using this feature in the background to improve the browsing experience. You do not need to restart the browser in most cases, but if you want, you can refresh your tabs or relaunch Edge to make sure the setting is fully active. If you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same performance section and switch it off again. That gives you full control over how Edge handles loading and speed optimization on your device. And that's it. You've now enabled preload pages for faster browsing and searching in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a noticeable difference in how quickly pages and search results load. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.